Microestimating includes its own contact library. You can edit this by going to Libraries, Contacts. There are 4 types of contacts: customers, vendors, and sales reps. Within each of these folders, you can create multiple additional folders. Our sales reps are all tied to companies, and they have their own contact information. While inside a sales reps folder, we can create a new company and fill out that company information. We can also edit an existing contact. Notice that sales reps have a rep %. This allows us to apply them on estimates. Vendors have their default markup that we want to apply on top of it. And we can also set our preference for which vendor we would like them to show up first. And finally, our customers. We can assign a default sales rep to that customer, and also add our additional profit margins on top. If we have different payment terms for this customer, we'd want to enter them here.